So here's what it looks like before, and then just a quick comparison. Here's what it looks like vacuum sealed. You can see the difference there. Definitely space saving. So I'm even putting my shoes in the bag here. Let's see if it helps with conserving a little bit more space. And I think it helps a little bit.
I'm trying to give it room to breathe, remember? Like, in your check stuff, it'll expand a little bit.
Yeah, whenever you check any of the vacuum sealed bags, like if you have a suitcase with vacuum sealed bags and you're checking it, you want to leave a little bit of air. If you have it completely flattened like this, then it's possible that the change in air pressure when you're flying may cause it to open. So I like to just leave a little bit of room in there. This one is full of all the souvenirs. So we just packed up one of the vacuum seal bags and stuffed our souvenirs in there. And then this is what it looks like vacuum sealed. So it's easier for you to bring back things with you from your trip as well.
Lots of things.
Lots of things.
Lots of things.
Okay, so I wanted to give you an idea of what this looks like when you've got the bags actually, you know, packed up. You go on your trip and then you're going to be getting your clothes back out. So look at how much we actually were able to fit in this suitcase. Layers and layers of the Vacbird Vacuum Seal Bags. We can fit so much more in here by doing it this way. And then I've got everything organized by, like, these are some shorts. I've got some shirts, more shorts. So you can organize everything, swim trunks. We got more on this side. More over here. So when I'm ready to go ahead and get out what I want, I can just unscrew this. Actually, I don't even need to unscrew that, sorry. I can just open the bag up here, and then I'll have access to everything. You just open up this seal right here, and you're good to go. Now let's see if these clothes are actually wrinkly, because these have been vacuum sealed now for about 7 days. So let's see if these are actually wrinkly or not. So there are a few wrinkles in here, not too bad. You can bring a portable steamer to iron those out, or you can even leave this in a hot shower, like off to the side. Obviously not directly in the water, but you could leave it out in a hot shower steam room and it will get rid of those wrinkles. But really not too bad for being completely vacuum sealed. This one is Fabletics. Let's look at another one here. This one looks pretty good overall. Again, a little bit of wrinkles here and there, but overall looks really good. I really like this shirt. So I hope you guys got value from this. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Happy traveling. And if you're trying to optimize your packing as much as possible, these Vacbird Vacuum Seal Bags are incredibly convenient.